Hi, Harry here from the Windows team, and today I'm joined by the man himself, Harvey Eagle.
Hi Harry.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, good.
Awesome. So, you actually head up Xbox here in the UK, don't you?
Yes, I do, yes.
We've been getting a bunch of questions from our fans regarding things such as Project Scorpio, game mode on the PC, and Xbox Play Anywhere. So I thought it would be a good idea to ask these questions straight to you.
Great.
You ready to get going?
Absolutely.
Perfect. So the first question comes from Mark. He wants to know, is Microsoft looking at a pure streaming gaming system anytime soon? Kind of like a digital rental store?
Well, very recently we've just announced Xbox Game Pass, which by now you may have heard of. Xbox Game Pass is a gaming subscription service, and it gives you unlimited access to a library of more than 100 Xbox One and Xbox 360 backward compatible games on your Xbox One console. And you get that for $7.99 subscription fee per month. So one of the really cool things about Xbox Game Pass is that the games download in full onto your Xbox One. So you're not going to get any issues with streaming or connectivity or bandwidth. It's out this spring, so coming soon, not long to go.
So the next question is from Rick. And Rick wants to know, where do you see the future of Xbox Play Anywhere going?
Well, Xbox Play Anywhere is something that we announced a year ago at E3. And the simple thought behind it was to say, wouldn't it be great if the game that you already owned was playable both on your Xbox One and your Windows 10 PC? So one game, one price, two platforms.
Can you tell me about some of the games which are already available? Like what's already?
Yeah. I mean, already there's more than 10 games in the program. Some great games I would call out, I'd say Halo Wars 2, Forza Horizon 3, Gears of War 4, Resident Evil 7. And we've just recently announced that there's going to be a lot more additions to the Xbox Play Anywhere program. We're going to have a number of Idea Xbox titles joining the program, which is really exciting. And then some of the new games coming to Xbox One and Windows 10 later this year will also be part of the Xbox Play Anywhere program. Games like Sea of Thieves and Crackdown 3.
Robert wants to know, will the new game modes allow existing games to run better on the PC? And could you tell us a bit more about exactly what game mode is?
Yeah, well, we set out to make Windows 10 the best Windows ever for gaming. Now, game mode is something that will be coming to Windows 10 as a platform feature as part of the Creators Update. And game mode is really designed to optimize your PC gaming experience on the PC. And the way it's going to do that is by dedicating more of the system resource to the PC game experience. So you can expect increased frame rates and increased consistency on some games. Now, over the next few weeks, we'll talk a lot more about game mode, and we'll also update more on some of the other features that are coming as part of this Creators Update.
This question comes from Mark, and he wants to know, what do you think is the best thing that is coming to Xbox in the near future?
Yeah. Well, look, 2017 is going to be an amazing year for Microsoft gaming and for Xbox fans. There is so much to look forward to. Project Scorpio, the world's most powerful gaming console, is out later in the year. There's going to be some great games, new games, coming to both Xbox One and Windows 10 PC exclusively. I've already mentioned Sea of Thieves from the great British developer Rare. Crackdown 3 is another great game coming. But something briefly I want to mention that I'm really excited about, that has only just been announced at Game Developer Conference, is something that we call the Xbox Live Creators Program. And simply this allows anyone, you or I, to make a game and then sell that game through the Xbox or Windows digital stores. So we're going to see potentially many more games arrive and be playable for the Xbox and Windows 10 community of gamers, which I think is really exciting.
So we've got time for one more question, and this comes from Nicholas. He wants to know, Harvey, what excites you personally about Project Scorpio?
Yeah, lots. I mean, look, I'm lucky. I've been with the Xbox team now for 16 years. I was part of the European launch team for the very original Xbox. I was part of the team for Xbox 360, Xbox One, most recently Xbox One S. And whenever there is a new console launch on the horizon, it's an incredibly exciting time and an amazing thing to be part of. Project Scorpio has 6 teraflops of GPU inside, and that is going to mean true 4K gaming on a console. And with all that horsepower in the box, I just can't wait to see what games creators make. And that's going to be a benefit to all of us that are gamers out there.
I cannot wait to get my hands on that console later this year. So that is all we have time for today. Thank you so much, Harvey, for answering these questions.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you to the fans for submitting the questions, and thank you for watching the video.